Blaze a new trail of adventure with our FH Group made-to-order seat covers custom fit for your Ford Bronco Sport. Made with soft and stretchy Neoprene and Neosupreme fabrics, these custom-fit seat covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications and tailored for a perfectly snug fit. The innovative design makes installation easy and allows for the use of all your vehicle's seat controls. The back side of the bucket seats are equipped with handy slip pockets to safely store personal items, and the bench seat allows access to the rear center console and cup holders. Plus, the front has a bonus center console cover for added comfort. Offered in a variety of colors, these rugged covers are waterproof, long-lasting, impeccably constructed with thick foam padding, and offer special stitching that allows for airbag deployment. Appreciate the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom-fit Neoprene seat covers and enjoy your Ford Bronco Sport like never before.